Alright, y'all, quick video here. I got these Juster Active 85 amplifier multimedia speaker thingies here at the thrift store today for $2.50 because they were on sale. They were 10, but I got them 75% off, and then some other discount stuff. They're a little damaged and all, but like it doesn't really matter. But I googled them. Turns out on eBay, and to buy a new pair, or a used pair, I mean, they're around 30 to 40 Canadian. So that's pretty good. Let's do a little sound test on them. Hold that. Thing with them is the cable's a little bad, but still for $2. Oh yeah, and also they did come with both grills on them. I just took it off so you could see the flexing, and because I wanted to see what the old woofer looked like. So yeah, that's it. Subscribe for more thrift store signs. Mad Dog out.